Here we go, Duchess. EAS severe thunderstorm warning for my county. Come on here, Duchess. Oh, there you are. Come here. Watch, listen to the EAS.
Ask your healthcare provider about the #1 prescribed HIV treatment, Biktarvy.
Biktarvy is a complete one-pill, once-a-day treatment used for HIV in many people, whether you're 18 or 80. With one small pill, Biktarvy fights HIV to help you get to undetectable and stay there, whether you're just starting or replacing your current treatment.
Duchess, EAS. Come here. Come here. Watch, listen to the emergency alert system with call voice.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County,
Come here.
Lancaster County,
Come here.
southeastern
Emergency alert system.
southeastern Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, central
Come
Kansas
here.
County in southeastern Nebraska until 8:30 p.m.
Come here.
At 7:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending
Come
from
here, Duchess. Look. On the banner.
south of
Look.
Ithaca, moving south at 30 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts
Duchess,
and
can you read
overnight
it?
hail.
The banner.
This is a radar indicator.
Come here.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Come here.
Severe thunderstorms will be near southeastern Omaha, Castle Bluffs, Bellevue,
Come here.
Vermillion, Norfolk Air Force Base, La Vista, Ashland, Springfield, Prairie Queen Recreation Area,
Come
and
here.
Walnut Creek Recreation Area around 7:45 p.m. Louisville, Greenwood,
Come
and
on,
Cedar Park
Duchess.
around 7:50 p.m. Fletchman, Waverly, and Muroc around 8 p.m.
Come on, Duchess.
The following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 35 and 45, in between mile
Come on,
markers
Duchess.
50 and 53.
Come on, follow you.
Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers
Come
1
on,
and 3.
Duchess.
Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 411 and 439.
Come on,
in
Duchess.
between mile markers 452 and 454.
This is for my county.
For your
Du-
protection, move to an
Duchess.
interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
Come on. See, it 2 times in a row. This is compilation number 12.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Here's another one. Extension. Here we go.
And it is all by
Oh, Duchess, it's severe thunderstorm watch number 424 extension.
2 years before in Saudi, or what we have seen in
Weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
It's an update, expansion
Radio, broadcast radio,
for my
and
county.
outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in effect until 12 a.m. Tuesday, and now includes the following counties: Odo, Nebraska,
Odo, Nebraska. Oh, compilation number 12.
Storm watch number 424 remains in effect until 12 a.m.
We investigate stories that impact you.
And inspire change every day.
Close to the watch area.
Another extension.
Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 424 remains in effect until 12 a.m. Tuesday, and now includes the following counties, Nebraska, and Saline.
Gage and Celine.
That's where we're at right now.